Hello guys, welcome to my C++ video series. Today we'll be learning about comments. So I'll be using the dev C++ for demonstrating the program. So I'll create the new source code. Okay. Now I'll just write a boilerplate which is has include iostream using namespace std int main return 0. In case you do not know what this is, you can check out my previous video to understand what this boilerplate is. Okay, now what are comments? Comments are basically uh, used for the developer's purpose. See, for example, if you write some code and you will be knowing the meaning of what the code is doing, what the code will take as input, what the code will give as an output. But when you're passing the code to some of your friends or some other developers, they will not be knowing what the code functions will be doing and all that. So what we can do is we can write the comments on the code so that they can understand what the purpose of the code is and what the code is going to return, or what is the working of the code. So how to write a code, I mean a comment. So for writing a comment, what we have to do is we have to use this double slash, right? So after this double slash we can write a comment. So this is a boilerplate of C++. See, another thing to notice is that whenever the compiler compiles this code, it will never compile this comment. So you can literally write anything over here. So PLAT. So this is a comment. So we can use the comment by using the double slash over here. As you can see, I have highlighted it. By using this double slash we can write a comment. You can literally write anything over here, but the main purpose of the comment is to uh, make the developer or other developers to understand what the purpose of the code is and what the function is doing. So this is a single line comment. In case you are writing multiple line comments, for example, uh, this is C++ video. Alright, now again, this is an employed engineers channel. So in case you are writing this multiple line comments, and if you are very lazy to write this every time, the double slash, what we can do is over the starting of the comment we can put a slash and then an star, and at the end of the comment we can put a star and again a hash. So this is a multi-line commenting. See, you can see here all of this has been commented. So let me save this over here. Let me say comments.cpp, and always when you save the file, the extension should be cpp because it's a C++ program. Okay, save. Okay, it's getting saved. So let me compile and run it. getting compiled. Yeah, see, we got the output. So yeah, you can literally write anything in this comment. This So this is how you write a multi-line comment by using the at the starting of the comment you have to put a slash and then a star, and at the ending of the comment you have to put a star and then an hash, right? And this is a single line comment. Okay, so hope you can understand this. So I'll reiterate this again. You can write a single line comment by using the double slash, whereas if you are very lazy in order to put slash in every line, what you can do is that for multi-line comment we can do a slash and then star, and then at the ending we have to put a star and then slash. So that's all for this video. This is all about comments. Thank you, and do subscribe.